The brief for Mindful Chef really centred around creating a home, a destination for them, something they could be proud of, that really embodied physically and sort of culturally their values, how they worked, what they wanted to showcase sort of to the outside world.
We felt that the time was really right to actually create an amazing space that they could call home and really help us deliver our message of making healthy eating easy. The pandemic has been a crazy time for everyone, both personally and professionally, and we worked a lot with our team to understand what they wanted from sort of a new world of working. For us, we think it's really important actually to have that personal face-to-face time. As I said, like one of the values is being personal. So actually we always knew we wanted an office, a new place to call home, and we're really proud of this one.
The concept behind the design and sort of the inspiration for it started very much with Mindful Chef and their brand, who they were. So some of the brand colour, obviously a really important part of that. The function of the space was really interesting for this project because you have the test kitchen where the chefs are working every day, which is very different to someone working at a desk. You've got the heart and soul of the space, which is the big breakout area, the communal space, which was really important. I think you've got the meeting spaces, the boardroom, which they wanted to place in quite a strategic area of the office. You've got the gym, the fitness area, you've got the desks and the working area, and then the collaboration spaces. There was quite a lot to marry into the space. And then on top of that, you've got the level changes throughout the space. It was 3 different units. Hybrid working is something that the business will use going forward, and having a bookable desk system and really thinking about the types of working spaces people could have in the office. Library desks, high benches, power and data everywhere. So every place really is a working place, and not necessarily having to have a fixed permanent desk with monitor arms for every single employee, which I think is something that we're seeing more frequently anyway.
Brand integration was very much a key thing right from the start. It's not something that you can necessarily bolt on. It was key in ensuring that the story was weaved throughout their space, and it made so much sense that that box that arrives on your doorstep on a weekly basis, the box that defines Mindful Chef, and the first thing that you see is the first thing that you see coming through the office. If you work your way around to the left, to the heart and soul of the space, where the kitchen is, you get more and more of an understanding of essentially who Mindful Chef are. The timeline we absolutely love doing because you can keep adding to it. It's kind of gallery-esque. Every milestone that happens in Mindful Chef's future can just be created and added to that wall. The tab grabbers, which traditionally used in restaurants to pick tabs from, is where all of the new ideas for menus and Polaroids of team nights out and team photos go.
Mindful Chef is a proud B Corp, and sustainability is always sat at the heart of Mindful Chef.
We looked at the materials we were using, so sustainably sourced carpet materials. We've got a wallpaper that's 100% recycled, and it's made from flax.
We worked with Square Mile Farms, and they were absolutely fantastic in getting this purpose-built vertical farm together, and it just made so much sense for Mindful Chef to have their own vertical farm, to have their own way of growing herbs and stuff that they can actually cook with.
Brilliant team that came together in such a challenging environment to pull this off. So that's the bit that I'm very proud to be part of that team.
It was an absolute pleasure from start to finish. And the fact that we managed to achieve something so brilliant and beautiful in the weirdest year of our lives is absolute testament to how incredibly well the team worked together. Yeah, couldn't be more proud of the guys.
I'm really happy with what we've managed to achieve with our new office space. Working with Third Way, as I said, it felt like everyone was personally invested. I feel like I know all of the team personally and really well. And it's amazing to think that we can come into this office every single day and call this place home. So from myself, from all of the team at Mindful Chef, a big thank you to everyone at Third Way for the truly special and amazing sort of office that they've managed to come and create.